So the first thing we want to do is her face. So we're going to start around here, and we're just going to make her face a bit more sideways. So you want to start by drawing a half circle right here. Then it goes off to the side, and this is where her cheekbone is. And then right here you just want it to curve round into her other cheekbone, which is like diagonal to the first one. Once you've done that, we can focus on doing her eyes. So you just want to draw a line right here. They're just above her cheekbones, and you want to make them go up like this. So once you've done that, we can now draw a line going off to the side. And then her eyeball in the corner. Once you have done her eyes, we can now do her nose. So her nose, you want to make a line right here, in and then back out, and then another little line right here. Once you have reached this point, you want her nose to curve a little bit in. We can do her smile, and it's really big, so you want to do it around here, and it kind of goes up and it goes off to the side right here. Okay, so now you've done that, you can just double it all up. Her lip is really thin, but her bottom lip is a little bit thicker. And then right here you can do her teeth. So you want a line right here. And you can just draw a line going off to the other side. Okay, so once you have adjusted to her face exactly how you would like it, then we can now do her eyebrows. They're really thin and they're really high up, so you want to just do that. This side's slightly lower than this side, and you just want to follow these lines that we did. So now that we've done that, we can just do her hair. So her hair's right here and it's really crazy. So you want it to go upwards and off to the side. Once you've done this side and you've added all these spiky bits, you can do the same thing on the other side. And just remember, when you do these spiky bits, that you do some this way and some this way, so it makes it look more natural. Okay, so now we have finished with her hair, we can move on to doing her neck. So her neck is right here, and she kind of got a hunched back, so you want it to be quite high up. And you can also add in her earring, which is right here. And it just goes into her face. And then afterwards, right here, you can just start to draw her outfit. So you want a line going all the way down into a peak, and then back up. So you want her body to go in a lot, because she's really, really thin. Her body to go outwards. We'll start by drawing her coat right here. You want to go off to the side and then tuck in right here. And then you want to make another line right here. And then you want to grab it from here. And it touches her hair and goes on top of it a little bit. Draw a line going all the way down. Okay, so once you've reached this point, you can do her another part of her coat, and and it goes up here, the next part. And then you draw a line right here, going up again and back round. Right here you want to draw her arm, and it's really thin, her arm, so you want to make it as thin as possible. Really long, and they're kind of spiky and pointy, so you want to make them like that. And then it's like a big claw, so you want to make it look as creepy as possible. So once you're done cleaning this side up a little bit, we can just add the ring on her finger right here. She has a huge ring. And then we can do the coat on this side. So this time you want to start lower down, which is right here. Here you just want to draw a line like this. And then it goes back up. And then we can just do her arm. I want to do like a triangle right here. You can just draw her arm, which is really thin. So you want to start by here, and then it goes pointy and then back up. Do her arm really thin, and it gets thinner as it reaches the top. Right here you want them to go down, and you want them to go into like hooks, and then there's one right here which is slightly higher up, and then her thumb. And then you just want to do her long cigarette. Then stick her at the top. It kind of looks like a wand, but it's not. It's a cigarette, and then at the end you want to draw this actual cigarette. Just add a bit of smoke coming out of it. Down, and then she has this big bag. So you just want bits to keep overlapping it. Right here you just want to do a line across, and then you want to do a line here and right here. On these lines you just want to do lots of different little dots. So all we need to do is the bottom of her outfit. So right here you want to do a line going down, and then it just goes in. And the same thing on this side. And then with her skirt, or her dress actually, you want it to go in a lot right here, and then back out. From here, you want to draw a line going all the way down. Right now, you just want to do one of her legs. Okay, so right here you want to draw a line going all the way down, and then on this side another one. On this side all you need to do now is a line going down. The very last thing to do is the spots on the coat. She has lots of Dalmatian spots, so you just want to go around and add those right now. Once you have done all of the spots on the outfit like I've done, you want to make sure you use some bigger ones and then some smaller ones, but mainly small ones at the top. And you want to make them a little bit squashed so that it doesn't look unrealistic or anything like that. But once you have done that, then you have completely finished the drawing. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to do any more drawings, then just put them in the comment section and I'll try and draw them for you next time. Don't forget to check back in part 2 to see all the colours and things like that. And otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye!